Yo, it's your boy Yaadman Etan. And before we get into this video, I just want to remind you guys to subscribe and keep the vibe. Ding, dong, done.
He might cheat on me. Right now, I'm mash me go mash up in face. Can I know who me be now? Give me bun. Alright. What me a hear about? Me say give me bun, you know what one for you? One for you. Tell me what I go on, my wash, cook and clean for you. Look how my body good and you cheat on me.
Who hear that from? Where hear that from?
I hear it from somebody and I now go sell them out.
Yo, I gotta prove it to you right now. Yo, Tabizzle.
We are dealing with Etan.
Me there with Nikki. Alright? Do me a favor. Don't lie.
Don't lie. No, dog. Me not gonna lie, brother.
Me give her boy?
Alright, no, me don't think you ever cheat on her, boy. You see me I said last night, remember last night when Moisha gave the head and how you enjoy
Who name Moisha, dog?
Me Jesus! You see, me not like that. And plus, there are these two girls we did have sex with last night. You get them pan at the back and at the front and all of that. All pan the van skin out and one of the girls, them all that juke out and a wine out and a hole and thing. Not like that.
You don't know it's your boy, Yaadman Etan. Thank you guys for watching that video. Now, I'm going to need you guys' help so I can continue to make a splash. And to make waves on YouTube, I'm going to need you guys to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. You guys can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Yaadman Etan. Oh yeah, one more thing. The link in the description below. Yeah, click that, buy my merch, help me pay bills. Thanks.